What's up guys? Today we're going to take a quick look at probably the best bang for your buck home theater processor, the Emotiva XMC-2. I think it's probably the best value because you're getting 16 channels of processing with fully differential outputs across the front 3 channels as well as the subwoofer outputs. It's got Dolby Atmos and DTS-X on board, and the thing only costs $3,000. Add a couple Emotiva amplifiers and you've got a killer system. Now before we unbox this guy, if you're new to the channel and love home theater gear, then tap the subscribe button for new weekly videos. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Inside, we get the birth certificate, the remote control, the calibration microphone, and the calibration microphone cable. Accessories box 1 contains the microphone stand, USB stick, FM antenna, antenna stand, and trigger cable. Inside accessories box 2, we have the power cord, the batteries, and here we have an AM antenna. Size-wise, the XMC-2 measures 17 inches wide by 15.5 inches deep by 5.75 inches high, and it weighs 22 pounds. Taking a closer look up front, you'll find a 3.5mm headphone out jack, a USB input, and a 3.5mm auxiliary input. In the center is the menu, power, and dimmer buttons. And on the right side is the volume knob. Moving around back, you get 4 audio-only inputs, with 1 being balanced and 3 being unbalanced. There's a Zone 2 pre-out next to a coax and optical digital out. All 16 channels are XLRs, so there are no RCA pre-outs for any channels. You'll have to get some adapters for that. Here's a few trigger outs, an IR in and output, LAN and USB ins, and there are 8 HDMI 2.0 inputs and 2 HDMI outputs. Now I did grab the URE3 rack mounting kit, which retails for 39 bucks. All you have to do is remove the 2 lower screws, then screw the mounting hardware back on. Do the same thing to the other side, and you're done. So sadly, I'll be leaving the RMC1. If you didn't catch the review, I'll leave a link for it at the end of this video. In reality, the RMC is just way overkill for my space. I barely have enough room for 11 speakers, let alone 16, and I doubt I'll be expanding to 28 channels anytime in the near future. But there are a couple things I will miss having. The RMC does have those 3 expansion bays for not only adding more speakers, but you can also upgrade the HDMI board as standards change. And every channel is fully differential, so there is the option for even cleaner sound in every channel. And who doesn't like better sound quality? Well, alright guys, I'm gonna get this installed in my rack, and we'll be back in a few weeks with the full review. Hopefully this gets the Dirac room correction update while I still have it. In the meantime, let us know in the comments if you picked up any of the new Emotiva Pre-Pros, and how's your experience with them. As always, thanks for watching. If you want, you can find us on social media, and if you want to support the channel and get exclusive content and giveaways, then stop by our Patreon page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again in the next one.